Welcome to MyKidReports. In this video, we will explore the Enrollment Flow feature in MyKidReports, covering each step of the process in a simple and professional way. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to seamlessly manage enrollments for your childcare center. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your MyKidReports account and navigating to the Admissions tab. This is where you can manage the entire enrollment flow. The admissions feature is divided into 3 sections: dashboard, process, waitlist. We'll go through each one in detail. Understanding the dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub where you can track and manage your admissions pipeline. It provides an overview of student statuses, including prospects, students who have expressed interest, scheduled tours, students with scheduled visits, toured, students who have visited your facility, waiting for receiving details, students pending documentation, awaiting approval, students ready for final confirmation. Here's how you can work with the dashboard. Adding a new prospect. On the dashboard, you'll find an option to add a new prospect. Click on the Add New Prospect button. This action will trigger a pop-up window to appear where you can input the details of the student and the parent. Fill in the student info. In the pop-up window, you'll be prompted to fill in student info. Enter the first name of the student. Enter the last name of the student. Choose the program for the student. Select the student's date of birth using the calendar. Select the desired start date for the student. Fill in the parent info. Under the parent info section, you'll need to fill in details for parent 1. Enter the first name of the parent. Enter the last name of the parent. Input the parent's email address. Add the phone number of the parent. If necessary, add any additional information about the parent. You can click the plus button to add more parents if required. Once you've filled out all the required information, click Save to finalize adding the new prospect. This process will ensure that the new student and their parents' details are added to your dashboard efficiently. You'll now see the newly added child listed as a prospect on the dashboard. In the admissions dashboard, administrators can directly communicate with parents by simply clicking the Send Email button available in the Parent Details section. Under the Parent Details column, you'll see the Send Email button next to the parent's name and email. Clicking this button will immediately allow the administrator to send an email to the parent, ensuring quick and efficient communication. Scheduling tours. Next, you can schedule a tour with the prospect. Here's how. Open the prospect's profile. Create a date and time slot for the tour. Once you've scheduled a tour, the parents will receive a confirmation email. The email provides details about the scheduled tour and a clickable button to confirm their availability. By clicking the button, parents confirm their availability, and the tour schedule is updated automatically in your system. This makes communication simple and ensures everyone stays informed about the next steps. Once the parents confirm, the scheduled tour will be displayed under the Scheduled Tours section. After the tour is completed, you can update the prospect's status to toured. This moves them to the next stage in the admissions pipeline, where they are ready to proceed with the enrollment process. Starting the enrollment process. To start the enrollment process, navigate to the admissions dashboard in MyKidReports. Locate the student listed under the prospect section. Here, you can see essential details like student name, age, program desired, start date, parent details. Current student status displayed as prospect. Click the drop-down next to the student status, e.g. prospect, to open a list of actions. From the drop-down menu under the student status, select the Start Enrollment Process option. This action will open a pop-up window to configure the enrollment details for the selected student. In the Start Enrollment pop-up window, choose the rooms where the student will be placed. Pick a predefined registration process to streamline enrollment. Specify the program, e.g., monthly plan, the student will be enrolled in. Select the start date for the student's enrollment using the calendar picker. Ensure the checkbox is ticked if you want to send an email with the enrollment link to the parents. After filling in the details, click the Continue button to finalize the enrollment process. After the administrator enrolls students, parents will receive an email to set up their MyKidReports account. Parents need to click on the Create Password and Complete Registration link provided in the email. Once the setup is complete, parents can log into their account via the MyKidReports app or website to access all features. Now parents can fill out the necessary forms and submit them directly from their dashboard. Once parents submit the enrollment details, you can review and confirm the information. After approval, the student will be moved to the enrolled stage. Congratulations! The student is now officially enrolled. Managing the process. In the process, you can manage and customize your enrollment process. Navigate to the Process tab under the Admissions section. Click on the Create New Process button to start setting up your customized admissions flow. Enter process name in the field at the top. This name helps identify the specific admission process. Under the Forms section, click Add a Form. Choose or create forms that parents need to fill out as part of the process. For instance, you can include enrollment agreements or questionnaires. Under the Fillable Documents section, click Add a Fillable Document. Upload interactive documents for parents to complete digitally. In the Document Requests section, click Add a Document Request. Specify which documents parents need to upload, like proof of residency, birth certificates, or vaccination records. In the Documents to Share section, click Add a Document to Share. Upload view-only documents for parents to access, such as a school handbook, fee structure, or policies. Under the Fee Requests section, click Set up Billing to add a fee request. Once all sections are filled out, click the Save Process button at the bottom right corner. The process can now be assigned to prospective families or used in admissions workflows. If any details in the process need to be updated, you can select the process from the list in the Process tab and click Edit Process. This allows you to modify forms, documents, fee requests, or any other steps in the process to match your current requirements. Not ready to finalize the process? You can choose to make a draft instead of publishing it immediately. This feature allows you to save your progress and revisit it later for completion or updates before rolling it out. If a process is no longer relevant, you can select it and choose Delete Process. This helps in keeping your admissions workflows organized by removing outdated or unused processes. Using this feature, you can streamline how forms and documentation are collected and organized. Handling the waitlist. On the admissions dashboard, navigate to the Prospect section. Find the student you want to move to the waitlist in the list of prospects. In the Student Status column, click the drop-down menu next to the current status, e.g., prospect, of the student. From the options in the drop-down menu, select Set as Waitlisted. If prompted, confirm the action to move the student to the waitlist. The student status will now update, and they will appear under the Waitlist tab on the dashboard. By following these steps, the student is successfully moved to the waitlist, where their status can be managed further as needed. And that's the complete enrollment flow in MyKidReports. With these features, you can efficiently manage your admissions process from start to finish, saving time and enhancing parent communication. Thank you for watching, and we're excited to have you as part of the MyKidReports community.